What is going on, man? It is now February 26th, another trading day. We got the 2x phase. We'll be trading today, and we're going to be seeing if we can lock in a win. We already kind of get a pre-break or breaking early, so I don't know. Sell side was what I was looking for, but we'll see how market reacts in the next 20 seconds or so. So we'll see. Oh yeah, no, that shit did it. Like the last second, it just fucking did. Grab that target. Q probably about to fucking dump. Let me get an entry that I wanted. I didn't like how that candle opened. It opened hella fast. You didn't really get an entry on it. We'll probably have to catch like a second chance trade or something. Let's pull him back, but
Yo, YM did what I wanted to do. Came down and tested these EMAs. His demand zone.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, NQ is out of there, bro.
It dump.
Hell yeah. This 1 minute counter going crazy. Nah, I'm chilling. It dumped like 47 points, like OD fast. So I'll take it. But if not, then oh well.
Yeah, YM came down and tested this trend and demand. I got a limit order set.
Order filled.
If we flip.
Oh my god. Bro, that shit tapped me out so fucking fast. What the fuck?
A lot of volume, brother.
Try this up a little bit. I'm seeing. Like, damn. That's how we coming, bro? I'm talking about, like, within a blink of an eye, bro, I was tapped out.
What the fuck?
What happened?
Jeez. I set a limit order, but it said it was a limit sale and not a limit buy. And I meant to go for a limit buy, so I lost 150 on that shit. On some rookie shit.
On some rook shit, boy.
Order filled.
I'll try this again. See if it goes this time. Let's see here if we dump. We get another influx of volume. This candle gonna close like this. That'll be good. Could have went break even there, but nah. I'm gonna go break even now though.
There we go.
Fuck. Wanted to lock in what I lost at least.
I got tapped in, break even on YM. See work. It was a good setup for what my entry was. That shit just did some duck shit, bro. I did some duck. I don't know how I placed a limit order for a fucking sale. NQ still dropping?
Yeah. Trying to see if we want to go finish this job here. Go do it, bitch. It's acting funny. It's probably hopefully this
Order
next.
filled.
Nah, it got me out. Damn it. Wait a second though. Cause I think if this come back down, we definitely about to melt. Cause this is a candle series now.
Yeah, I seen you explaining it. I watched that video from this morning, but the video you posted last night, I watched it.
Yeah.
Like this nigga actually on this bitch talking like the niggas we grew.
Order filled.
But the niggas we came up watching.
Yeah.
Nigga was like, yeah, so this is right here is what I call a candle series. Candle series. I started laughing.
Niggas know. Alright, my 1-to-1.
I educate them niggas then, brother.
1-to-1 got hit, so we'll see.
He went short.
Yeah, on NQ, but
order filled.
Bullshitting. Quick on there, but here it do. I think this is where we actually start falling for real.
Or at least let me mark that shit up while I'm thinking about it too. I could target
order
some of these halfway points.
I don't like my entry on that. Fuck. Did not like my entry on that.
Order filled.
Damn, bro. I was waiting for it to come back some first. I didn't think it was going to drop that far though. Fucking take it out.
It could have been way worse, you know.
I'd had what 5 straight green days on that account, so that's the first L. I'm still up like 1,000 on the account, so I take it.
Especially from where I
Go
got
ahead with
in
it.
that game, where I got in that the candle ended up moving 67, 70 points from my entry. That shit could have been bad. Okay.
Order
950,
filled.
and you're selling.
How the fuck is
we
it
gonna go
risking
break?
3 though?
We got some volume too. You gonna go break?
Yeah, I'm gonna lock in.
Order filled.
I locked in a win right now, but I ain't done. I think we ain't done yet.
I ain't finished.
I ain't done yet. We break this shit right here.
Thought I loved you, bitch.
I use you. Fuck.
That shit should not be as funny as I think.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna call it. I'll take 187. Fuck it. All right, man. That is the end of the trading session. Today was not the best trading day. I made a few mistakes on my end, so I really can't do nothing but blame myself for that. And then also not realizing that I was getting really caught up in the chop before we actually really got down to this retest level. So yeah, market just kept coming back and forth. What I could have did really was start waiting for the break of the candle on a 5-minute instead of trying to look for the 1-minute entry, especially because we didn't have a wick on this candle. But that's on me. I'm not really mad at it. That first trade that I took, that was a trade I would normally take. Like, we had a strong closeout on the 1-minute, right? So if I go to the 1-minute, we broke through this level. I didn't actually get the entry because it was moving so fast. I was expecting it to have a little bit of retrace and then a drop. I would have took the entry like normal. Didn't get that. We got this strong 1-minute close. So once I seen that, we broke the candle and we started coming back up a little bit. Cool. I'm going to now place a limit order here in this area and expect for us to go finish out taking this second target where we had these equal lows at from the hourly that I saw, which was also 22 points away, considering we just moved like 50 points in this candle. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna end up taking that entry. And as soon as I got tapped in, immediately tapped out. I was down 250. All right, cool. Then I ended up catching a little win up in here, I think it was. What I should have really did was once I was at break even, I should have just stopped and been like, all right, cool. I've taken what at that point 3 trades or 2 trades. I could have just been like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and just call it here. Or no, I had took 2 break evens, I think. I could have just called it and then walked away and then got on the other account and traded that account. But I didn't do that. We ended up taking a loss. I was trying to lock in the win today just because I know I only needed 2 more to lock in another payout on this account. But yeah, end up just really getting chopped up in this area and end up taking losses. It was another entry that I ended up taking the L on. I didn't really want to get tapped in that entry. I was moving it down, or I had it down from where price was, not thinking price was going to drop that quick to go grab it. But it did, and unfortunately tapped me into the trade. That wasn't where I was trying to really get in at, but once you win it, right? And like I said, that's on me. It's my fault, so I can't really blame anybody for that. So I'm gonna take that L. We did come down to this retest level. So if I look at price from like the hourly level, this is where I was expecting price to come back to the retest, just because we had such a strong breakout yesterday and we had a lot of imbalance in this area. So I was expecting price to come back down to this level after grabbing liquidity and then retesting off this, and then we can continue higher. We could probably drop and go take out previous low, but I'm not really expecting us to do that. I'm expecting us more so to just retest off this level and then go higher. So we'll really see how price develop over the rest of the day. But yeah, that's why I had a sell side bias for today, or I had a bias for shorts today. I just didn't really execute how I was supposed to. So that's really on me. The one win that I did end up getting, or let me go back to this account first. So yeah, we end up losing 494 in this account. I'm not really tripping. Still up $1,100 on a week on this account, so it's not really bad. Hopefully we can get a win tomorrow. Then come in Monday, we'll lock in another payout, right? And then on the other account, 4 winning days. We need one more for tomorrow. However, I'm only up $1,000 on the account, so this week has really been kind of slow as far as the amount made or the game made on this account. So yeah, but we did lock in a win. Honestly, once I saw that I could lock in a win, considering I lost on the other account, I was just going ahead and lock in a win. Like, I probably would have, had I not taken L on the other account, I probably would have just moved the trade to break even and let it rock out. But that was not what I was about to do in that situation. I wanted to secure some type of win on the day. If I could get it on the other account, then I'm gonna do that. So it just puts me closer to a payout. But yeah, that entry I ended up taking somewhere. I don't even remember. Like, it's so choppy, bro. That's so bad. That's really bad on my part. But yeah, I don't even remember what the entry was, to be honest. Let me go see. Saying entry was 230. Entry was 230. Oh, so my entry was like more than likely this candle, and it came down, and I got tapped out. I think what happened was, yeah. So price end up coming back up, and I'm thinking, all right, maybe we probably break out of this area, but we keep rejecting off 13. So I'm like, I don't know yet. And then once I seen price start coming down, I just had a limit order set right here around 230 and got tapped into the trade, and end up catching a little piece of the move. So that's all it was, which is really just continuation. But it is what it is. Not really tripping about it. In totality, I'm down 306 on the day. So when you subtract the 187 from the 494 that I lost, it means I'm down $300 on the day. And that's how I look at my P&L. Unless I'm copy trading it, I would have been down even more. Would have been down somewhere around like a rack. But it is what it is. We come back tomorrow, look to get another win. So yeah. Now, until next time, on a better living.